Thus far, I have learned so much about being genuine, being real, being authentic, and so many of these things that we talk about, coaching, mentorship, sponsorship, everything comes down to building relationships. And so the most important thing I always feel is to treat another person as a human being, see past the facade, see past the bias, see past all the identities and the identifications that we put on ourselves and that society has placed upon us, and just be real, share your story, why you want to connect with someone, be authentic, be upfront and be honest. And if people can see through you and they can see to your heart and they can see what you can offer, your skills, your expertise, the way you deliver things, then I think they will see the value in you, and that's how you build valuable connections.
Well, it's so amazing meeting all the women here, and full of energy, with inspiration, and I'm so interested to know about the sponsorship program and how I can contribute, going forward, as I'm just a new member with SHE Brilliance. In terms of breaking the barriers, I think the minister spoke about the conscious and unconscious biases, right? I think a lot of time we have the unconscious bias. So how can we overcome and get through that barrier? And I think that's something we can take away from today's session.
Key takeaway for me is, I think in my past, in my career, I've tended to be a sponsor and trying to drive diversity within the workplace. But today, really focus on how I can become even more intentional. Understanding, as I've done some of the roundtables at our tables, that this conversation may not be easy for people who are looking for sponsorship or looking for mentors. So how can I be more intentional and identifying talent to continue to help matriculate and move throughout our organization is one major takeaway that I've taken today.